So you bought this keycap set for
about $100, I think, maybe 110.
Right, and you've used it for 6 hours a day since. You've shined up all the keycaps, and now you're looking to sell it for $500.
It says so on the label.
$500, right? Sorry. Okay, you're really making the most of that Tfue collab, aren't you?
So you're looking to buy it? Or
Okay.
for it,
Yep.
or...
Right. Yeah. I'm just gonna go over here and. Actually, no. I don't even need to desolder you. Nobody would be that desperate to go and buy that.
Oh, sorry. Were you saying something? Something about like Desperado or